My real legal name is not Ashi Khanna. आँखों को मेरी तू कहीं ना देखे। मम मुझे भी तो दिखाओ तुम। And welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Ashi Khanna and I'd be really happy if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. We are really close to 800k. Make sure that you subscribe. It's free of cost and I promise you won't regret it, as I always say that. First thing that आपने notice किया होगा is that कि मैं ऐसे मतलब Indian attire में क्यों बैठी हूँ. It's because I was shooting some videos like reel type का and I love dressing up in Indian. I love dressing up in Indian. So that is the reason कि मैंने सोचा कि मैंने कभी actually proper Indian outfit में बैठ के YouTube वीडियो शूट नहीं किया. Like हाँ मतलब कभी मैं रेडी भी होती थी इंडिया में चेंज करके मैं YouTube शूट करती थी. So I was like why not, if I'm making this video तो मुझे इंडियन में करना चाहिए because ये also एक fact है मेरे बारे में that I love Indian. Today's video is get to know me better and these are 30 to 35 random facts about me that you might not know, but काफ़ी ज़्यादा इसमें से ऐसे हैं जो मैंने openly कभी share नहीं करे हैं and I never thought I'd be sharing. So this is the first time and exclusively on my YouTube channel for my YouTube fam. So without blabbering anymore, let's begin. So the first one being the very basic, and this still comes as a shock to many people, that my real legal name is not Ashi Khanna, it's Ashima Khanna. So yes, that's my full name, Ashima Khanna. You all know me by Ashi and I personally like the name Ashi, but my real name is Ashima. I honestly never use it and मेरे कोई भी friend मुझे आशिमा नहीं बुलाता कोई भी, तो I like Ashi better, so that's why मेरा हर जगह नाम आशी है. Ashi is my nickname of course, but that's my official name for me. Okay, the second is about my zodiac. So everyone knows that I'm a Pisces and I absolutely love the ocean. I'm starting with some basic ones, but hold on, stay there, I promise you. So I love the oceans more than anything else in this world. It makes me happy. Traveling makes me like it just makes me happy. The third thing is I am a complete sucker for handwritten notes. I love handwritten notes. I love how precious they are and how एकदम दिल से लिखे होते हैं ना लोगों ने, तो I am a sucker for that. I just absolutely love when people pull off this gesture. And yes, that's about it. मैं छोटे रखूँ because बहुत लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी वरना. Okay, so the next one is a bit personal, and that is I hate sharing my feelings with people. Like I don't put my step forward and I'm like कि यार मुझे ये feel हो रहा है, मुझे ऐसा feel हो रहा है. I don't usually do that. I prefer keeping my own things to myself, and which is not good actually. You should be upfront and share your feelings if you feel like it. But I think share करना हमेशा better रहता है. But मेरे को पता नहीं, मेरा nature ही ऐसा है कि मैं share कर नहीं पाती. So it usually like I'm the only one जो अपनी problem सुन के मैं sort कर लेती हूँ अपने दिमाग में. So yeah, it's good also and it's somewhere bad also. तो I can't say, मैं पता नहीं, मुझे आप लोग बताना. The next one is I can mimic cartoons. Yes, I also posted a few reels long back on my IG and a few of you said that I dubbed it, but I did not. कभी मतलब मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मुझे सिर्फ 2 डायलॉग्स याद हैं, एक डोरेमोन का एंड एक शिनचैन का, बट डायलॉग सेम रहते हैं. बट आई एक्चुअली कैन ट्राई मिमिकिंग समवॉट क्लोज टू दीज 2 कार्टून्स. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज नोबिता. डोरेमोन शिजुका मुझसे बिल्कुल प्यार नहीं करती. डोरेमोन शिजुका को बोलो ना मुझसे प्यार करे. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज शिनचैन. उसका बहुत मुश्किल से मेरे को आता है, वो आवाज़ हमेशा निकलती नहीं है, बट इट्स मतलब मम मुझे भी तो दिखाओ तुम क्या लेकर आई हो. मतलब I'm not a professional of course, but I think I can modulate my voices for new cartoons. मतलब new cartoons में अपना सकती हूँ अपने voices से. That's the point. I can like modulate my voice into mimicking some cartoons which might come in future. तो अगर कोई देख रहा है जो कार्टून बनाने वाला है कोई, तो voice over artists कर आप लोगों को पता होगा I hate eating veggies. Yes, you heard it right. I am that girl. I am that girl. अगर सब्जी में हो, मसाला में हो, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा हो, then I have no problem. But my personal choice, I don't like eating veggies. I do like a few of them. Like बहुत ही picky हूँ मैं खाने को लेके, बहुत ज़्यादा picky हूँ और इस बात से सब मेरा पूरा खानदान परेशान है. So but yeah, मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों मैं पसंद नहीं करती. मेरे को क्रंच वेजीज का पसंद नहीं आता, जबकि लोगों को वही चीज़ बहुत पसंद आता है. But मैं थोड़ी टेढ़ी हूँ. Next might come as a shock to all of you that when I was younger, I was really afraid of dogs. Yes. And now I myself have a dog, and dog बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता. He is my गुगनू पुचनू पुकाला पता नहीं मैं क्या क्या नाम दे देती हूँ उसको. बट या बेनी, एंड आई कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन माई लाइफ विदाउट हिम नाउ. बट मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि बेनी को लेने के बाद मेरा डॉग का डर खत्म हुआ. मतलब बहुत पहले हो गया था, बिकॉज माई सिस्टर भूमिका वी यूज टू लिव टुगेदर ऑलरेडी. तो तब लाइक शी इज माई कजन, तो वो भी लेके आई थी स्नोई. सो तब से ही आई थिंक आई गॉट अटैच टू डॉग. तब से उसके बाद इट्स बीन लाइक व्हाट 9 years आई थिंक. या बट उससे पहले एक बार मुझे याद है, मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने अपना डॉग, में सोसाइटी में रहती थी मैं पहले. सो अपना डॉग छोड़ दिया था. मैंने पूरी सोसाइटी कम से कम 5 राउंड्स तो मारे हुए, क्योंकि उसको लगा मैं उसके साथ खेल रही हूँ और मेरी ऐसी पटी हुई थी, मैं ऐसे भाग रही थी, मैं बहुत रोई थी, भागते भागते रो रही थी मैं बेचारी. और गाइस वो डॉग पता है कौन सा था? आप सोच रहे हो कि जर्मन शेफर्ड या होगा कोई बड़ा डॉग, वो पग था. Moving on to the next point, which is what we discussed later. Next is I overthink a lot. I am a big overthinker. I hate that trait about myself. I want to quit, but yes, it is what it is. Next is a very fun one, which is I suck at flirting. I just can't flirt. मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों, मतलब मेरा फ्लर्टिंग, अगर आप मुझसे पूछना कि हाउ डू यू फ्लर्ट, है सबका एक मूव रहता है, कुछ नहीं. मेरे कोई मूव नहीं है, मेरे कोई वो नहीं है कि मैं देयर इज अ वे और देयर इज अ यू नो कोई तरीका जिससे मैं फ्लर्ट करती हूँ. बिकॉज आई जस्ट डू नॉट नो हाउ टू फ्लर्ट, एंड मतलब आई रियली सक एट इट, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई रियली डू. The next is I am a very soft at heart person. I don't know however I may seem on camera, but I am very soft at heart. I think YouTube family knows me much better than anybody else, because I am very much real and authentic on YouTube than I am on any other platform. Because I don't get to interact like this one on one on IG or on anywhere else. मतलब समझ रहे हो? तो YouTube वालों को आई थिंक पता ही होगा, बट इंस्टाग्राम पे many लोग सॉरी इंग्लिश many people perceive like a different image of me, which I don't mind honestly. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, because obviously you cannot tell exactly how a person is just by looking at their pictures, because ये मैं 100 बार डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. बट anyway, so next fact about me, my favorite movie genre is Disney/princesses. This also a lot of you might know if you follow me on Snapchat. I love watching Disney movies. I love watching princess movies. I love happy endings, and yeah, I'm that kind of dreamy, princessy, fairy tale kind of girl. And by far, I think I've watched almost all the princess movies that were available on Netflix, like top to bottom. This is a very important point, guys. Please pay attention to it, okay? I don't act childish. It's just how I am. I simply enjoy my own company. Period. Please understand this point, because a lot of people I hear a lot of people talking about me like कितना ओवर रिएक्ट करती है, ये बच्ची बनने का ट्राई करती है, ये क्यूट लगने के लिए ऐसे करती है, ये guys, I honestly don't give a flying fuck about anything. I am like this. I like being kiddish. I like enjoying the little things of life. I like finding happiness in the little things, and if that comes out as childish to you, if that seems like I'm overreacting on something, or if I am doing something unnecessary, then it's not my problem, because that's just how I am. Matlab, I cannot change myself, my basic core nature, for anybody else in this whole wide world. I'm so sorry. The next one is I always practice gratitude. I also have a tattoo on my arm, this one, which says grateful, and You all know I am a big lover of The Secret Book. I also follow the law of attraction very strongly. I do believe that thoughts become things, and I always make sure that I'm grateful for whatever I have in life, and rather than looking down on something, I always look up and always be thankful to God for giving me whatever He has given me today. And yes, मैं हमेशा छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए I practice gratitude, and I swear it has changed my life for the good, and you should do it too. It's like heart to heart advice. You should start being grateful for everything around you, be it the sunlight, be it you waking up every single day, be it your family, be it your friends. Start being grateful for everything and see how your life changes. The next one is I am claustrophobic. The mere idea of being, you know, trapped in a small डब्बा या कुछ ऐसा मेरे को इतना टेरिफाई करता है, बिकॉज मुझे घुटन से बहुत होता है. एक बार कभी लिफ्ट में भी मैं बंद हो गया था, 2-4 लोग थे हम लोग, लिफ्ट में बंद हो गया, बट द लिफ्ट वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, एंड हो जाता है लिफ्ट कभी रुक जाती है. सो इफ दैट वॉज द वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई कैन नॉट जस्ट. हाँ. So the next is okay, so this one's like a bit fun, not funny, but I really wish I could sing. I really like singing and I love people who can sing, but I feel like my voice is not good. But the main fact is, once I posted a story on Snapchat or IG, I don't remember, and it was a small snippet of me like singing a line of a song, and a lot of you actually complimented me, and I was like, I was so happy and I got so excited about it. So I'm just gonna sing one line, and I know I do not have a good voice, but it just makes me happy, okay? So don't judge me on that. I'm just being very candid in this video. बैठे बैठे सोचूं कभी मैं तुझे, आँखों को मेरी तू कहीं ना दिखे, कोई हो ना हो मैं मिलूंगी तुझे. Guys, I'm so sorry अगर मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही वो कर दिया, but I just like singing but I can't sing, so there's a fine line between the two. So don't be harsh on me in the comments please कि कैसा गाया. I don't want your judgment on that. I just wanted to sing. मेरा ये अगर wish होता कि काश वाला thing, तो ये भी यही होता कि काश मुझे गाना आता होता. Okay, so the next point is I am very possessive about my friends. Yes, that has been a trait since school time, and I am literally very possessive about my friends. और ऐसा नहीं कि वो मेरा दोस्त है तो वो उसका दोस्त नहीं हो सकता, वो वाला possessive नहीं. It's just like possessive in a good way, you know, like caring type वाला possessive. So उस type में I am very possessive for all of my friends. Next point is, I know you already know by now, but I want to say it in caps. I love Bollywood. I love Bollywood movies. I love Bollywood songs. I just love it. But I'm like more of the कौन सा 90s era, like एकदम पुरानी मूवीज. पुरानी तो नहीं, मतलब अभी भी, जैसे आपको पता है मेरी प्लेलिस्ट, आप IG मुझे फॉलो करते हो तो आपको पता होगा गाने जो होते थे पहले, तो those were. Okay, so the next is that I'm very close to my family. Of course everybody is, but I do share everything A to Z with my mom, and otherwise also I'm very close with my entire family, but my mom is like my best buddy. Next is I hate people who are sarcastic all the time. Like, please, shant, take a chill pill, okay, chill pill. Next is a good point that I find really good मेरे अंदर is that I like to spend plus save money. Like, I'm not a आँख बंद करके स्पेंड करेगा कि हाँ इस पे आँख बंद करके इतना कर दिया, but I also make sure that I'm saving money, and I like there's a balanced ratio कि if I spend this much I don't have to save this much, you know. So वो balance मैं बना के रखती हूँ, and I think that's a really good thing जो मुझे अपने अंदर लगती है. So the next point is I am good at, I won't say calligraphy, but I have a good handwriting, so I can, you know, copy कुछ लिखा हुआ टेक्स्ट अच्छे से. मतलब सीखा नहीं है मैंने, बट आई फील दैट आई हैव गुड हैंडराइटिंग, सो आई कैन. एंड मैंने किया भी हुआ है कभी, वो पेंटिंग मैंने स्नैपचैट पर डाल के देती थी. सो या Next point is also a very insider kind of point, which is I cannot be surrounded by people all the time. I need mera me time, my personal space. So that's also a very important thing in my life कि मैं हर टाइम socialize नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I do need मेरा head space to think, and मुझे अकेले टाइम चाहिए होता है अपने साथ सिर्फ. So that is very important for me. Next point is my dream date is to have a date under the stars, and under the stars somewhere near the beach or in the mountains, anything works, but that's the dream. Like a lot of stars, a lot of stars. Next is dancing helps me relieve stress. I am not a trained dancer. I've done a lot of performances like previously in my school, and उसके बाद भी stage performance की है मैंने, but कभी सीखा नहीं professionally, and that's the way I like it because my dance is not professional, it's fun. You know, I enjoy each song and then I dance, and I think that's the best part about dancing, and that's why it helps me relieve stress because मैं इतना feel करके गाना और इतना खुश होके और नाचती हूँ. You watch any of my dancing videos on dancing reels on IG, you'll see how much fun do I have while dancing. There's always a smile on my face, so that's what I'm talking about. That's the next point is like I have tasted alcohol, but I hate the taste of it, even beer and wine. So yes, of course I've tasted alcohol. मुझे उसका taste ही like मेरे taste buds को जमता नहीं है. I don't like the taste of alcohol, not even beer. Beer का तो smell ही I hate. I absolutely love making content, but I also get too much stressed when I don't have anything to post. Like even on Instagram, I make sure that I'm posting every single day. Even if I don't have a fresh piece of content for the next day, I make sure I post a throwback picture, but I have to post every day. मेरे को चुल होता है बहुत ज़्यादा कि मुझे post करना है. And same for YouTube. I get so stressed when I don't have anything to post for the next week. Next one is this is a funny one, okay? I'm having the same breakfast since the last 5 to 6 years, and that breakfast is toast, bread toast and cold coffee, and I never get bored of it because I also add a chunky chaat on my toasts, a lot of it, and I never get bored of it. And the last point is I know how to drive. Okay guys, I remember posting like 1 or 2 driving stories like long back, and I got so many replies. Oh my god, you know how to drive. The thing is, yes I do, but I never practiced it a lot. Like so मैंने बहुत practice नहीं करा उसका रोड पे कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा चला रही हूँ, but मुझे आता है because मैंने 2 बार सीखा है गाड़ी चलाना, क्योंकि मैं practice ही नहीं करती थी. एक बार मैंने 9th में सीखा था, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया बिल्कुल ही practice. फिर मैंने कॉलेज में फिर से एक बार classes ले लिया था like week वाला, and then I used to drive. मतलब डैड के साथ मैं जाती थी वैसे ही रात में practice करने, ऐसे ही rounds. तो yes, I can drive a car. In short, I mean, license भी कब से बना हुआ है. So guys, those were a lot of random facts about me, but I hope you got to know me a lot better after watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and it was not boring for you. So see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Do mention in the comments कि इसमें से कौन सा fact आपको सबसे ज़्यादा interesting लगा, and I'll be reading all of your comments like always. Love you guys so much. See you in my next video.